ubusan ng talino at tapang sa pagitan ni Senator Marcoleta and Senator Kiko Pangilinan. Ito tungkol sa West Philippine Sea. Tingnan nyo to.
Where did he get his data of 500,000 square kilometers?
The data that was provided us by the advisors to the Philippine delegation to the Hague, the International Arbitral Tribunal, provided the amount of approximately about 500,000 square kilometers. So,
According to the National Security Council, our exclusive economic zone in relation to that is only 381,000 square kilometers. I would like to correct that because the 500,000 does not exist, Mr. President.
hindi na natin kailangang ipagtanggol ang nasa atin. Napagpasahan na ng International Arbitral Tribunal.
Totoo po na ang arbitral award in-invalidate po yung 9-dash line. Tama po yun. Pero hanggang doon lang, hindi naman sinabi ng arbitral award kung hanggang saan ang hangganan ng ating West Philippine Sea. That's why I am asking the gentleman kung alam po niya kung saan tayo magsisimula para sa ganon, i-determine natin, i-ascertain natin ang extent ng ating West Philippine Sea. The Honorable Senator aware that in 2016, the South China Sea Arbitral Tribunal declared the boundaries of the Calayan Island Group as contrary to the UN Convention of the Law of the Sea?
Well, Mr. President, I'm not familiar with the particular findings, but that is, to me, again, immaterial in the context of the award of the International Tribunal.
That will not be immaterial, Mr. President, with all due respect. Kasi nga po talagang sinisino natin, dinidetermine natin kung gagamitin po natin yung Presidential Decree 1596. Sabi po ng Arbitral Tribunal, contrary po yun sa UN Convention of the Law of the Sea. Basahin po ninyo yung Arbitral Award. The West Philippine Sea was awarded to us by the Arbitral Tribunal on a silver platter. Sinabi po niya kung nasaan yung ating mga coordinates.
Well, Mr. President,
Tayo po ay merong entitlement sa 200...
again, Mr. President, assuming that these have to be defined, I think we can define that by Philippine law.
Nagdi-declare tayo ng 200 nautical miles. Hindi naman po tayo nagdi-deposit ng mapa na may coordinates doon sa United Nations. Wala pong mangyayari. Yun po yung proseso eh. Tingnan po ninyo yan. 6.1, yan po yung South China Sea. Hindi po ninyo makikita ang West Philippine Sea. Kaya po tayo nagtatalo dahil yung ating West Philippine Sea, kailanman hindi mag-a-appear dyan hanggat hindi po nagagawa ni Commodore Tariela yung dapat niyang gawin. Imbes na gawa na siya ng gawa ng caricature, dapat mag-submit na siya nung mga coordinates na kailangan po para ngayon makapagpatala tayo ng sarili nating pangalan ng dagat.
Senator Marcoleta pa rin ako. Kasi nga, may point naman kasi. For me, as what I understand, again, this is my opinion and what I understand. Meron tayong tinatawag na international law. Meron din tayong national law at meron din tayong local law. It's also the same sa mga lupa between, other countries or each of the countries, international or around the world, right? Ang Marcoleta naman kasi, Senator Marcoleta, is that walang specific latitude or longitude. Ito yung parang street block number and lat number na atin itong Scarborough Shoal na under West Philippine Sea, right? Or yung West Philippine Sea itself. Sabi nga merong mga 300 nautical miles away. It should be under Philippines. Pero sabi nga niya, dahil may island doon na pinagkaguluhan between Philippines and China, walang specific identification, yung nga, latitude and longitude. Ito yung magpapatunay na ito ay sa atin under Philippines, right? Meron tayo, yes, national. But again, we also need to consider na mayroong international na mag-identify kung kaninong country ito. And yun yung sinasabi. Kaya nga, nakikipaglaban hindi naman nakikipaglaban, pero nakikipagdebate. It's more on It's more on sharing knowledge kung naiintindihan ni Senator Marcoleta. It's almost the same kay Senator Kiko. Yun nga lang, the bad side is that Senator Kiko, Senator Riza Hontiveros, even Tito Soto, is insisting na sa atin pero without any proper proof na yun talaga yun sa atin, right? That's my understanding. But anyway, and again, if you guys think that you have more ideas, let me know. Write down in a comment. For now, cheers. Bye.